This is Adjuster TV, Adjusters First. Adjuster TV is brought to you by Kaplik. Learn all about E&O and other insurance for adjusters at cplic.net/adjustertv. And by the National Association of Catastrophe Adjusters. Joining NACA will provide you with the resources you need to build a lasting career as a claims professional at adjustertv.com/NACA. And by Adjuster TV Plus. Get unlimited access to a growing library of the best adjuster training videos created by the most trusted name in claims, Adjuster TV, at adjustertvplus.com.
But I think from here, it sounds like, you've got what kind of Xactimate training have you gotten?
See, that's what I haven't done yet. That's where I'm not there. I know I can figure it out fairly quickly.
Sure.
I've watched all the macros stuff from you. So I am on that train. I highly believe in macros. I always have. I use them in Excel all the time. So
for sure.
It's important. So that's where I'm kind of leaning on you, is where what move do I need to make from here? What you see that can I'm just going to tell you, Matt, I am the type of guy that I learn everything the hard way. I will learn the best if I am thrown in the middle of something that I am not prepared for.
Well, we don't necessarily have to do that, but so I would say that the kind of the essential order of operations is, once you decide that you really want to do this, and maybe you've talked to people and talked to me or talked to whoever, and it sounds like this could be your gig, you get your license, right? And getting out Florida as your home state, as a resident is that's significant, and that's because it's a big license to get. Once you get your Florida in hand, then you can go and apply for a bunch of other licenses in bulk, and and then you're going to have a lot of licenses. So I would say at this point, the very next thing that you need to do is to learn the ins and outs of Xactimate.
Correct.
Xactimate is the premier. I think they've got something like 95% of the market as far as insurance companies go. But you need to learn how to use Xactimate. Are you in Adjuster TV Plus?
I'm not.
Okay.
I need to be.
Well, the reason I ask is because inside of Adjuster TV Plus, I have a lot of detailed Xactimate training, including a complete startup, where do you find the download link, how do you get the demo, all that kind of stuff, a walkthrough for everything that you need to know about every part of Xactimate, as well as a layer above that, more advanced training where we're all right, well, we're going to use Xactimate in the context of a claim, and I have a ton of examples in there, a ton of different scenarios, a bunch of standalone trainings. I have some trainings from Crawford in there, where their Xactimate certified trainer is showing you how to do some level 2 diagrams, roof diagrams, and things like that.
Okay.
So it's $37 a month. I mean,
that's fine.
It's a lot of training for not a whole lot of money.
Yeah.
I will tell you that I think it's a pretty good idea. You can, I always say this. I say that your first storm, and really your last storm, whatever it is, whether you've been doing this a year or 10 years, is kind of like your resume, so to speak. So in other words, you can have a paper resume that's got all the stuff all over it, right? You're level 3 master Xactimate, you're a Hague certified inspector, got a CPCU, you've got this, you got that, all this stuff. But if you fall down flat on your face on your first storm because you can't handle the pressure and you can't put all the pieces together, the resume is just, you can blow your nose with it. So ultimately, the biggest test of your ability and your skills is going to be putting all the pieces together on for your first CAT deployment. But if you can kind of scoot yourself closer to the front of the line by getting those different certifications and things like that show that you have some skin in the game, that you are making an effort on your own as an independent, which is what we are. We're not, it's all us, right? You're making the effort to get out there and become a quote unquote subject matter expert on Xactimate, right? So in other words, get, Xactimate level 1 gets you on the board, right? Xactimate level 2 is more advanced, and it's kind of a lot of adjusters stop at Xactimate level 2, but you could go to Xactimate level 3, which is like the master level, right? I highly recommend getting it the absolute minimum, a level 1 certification, because it's widely regarded in the industry at any of those levels. Every carrier knows about it and approves of it. Every IA firm knows about it and approves of it. Obviously, you gotta, walk the walk when it comes to writing claims. But it's one of those things. If that's on your resume, you got an Xactimate level 2 certification, and you got 9 licenses, and you've got this and that and the other thing. That looks great on the resume, and it makes it a hiring manager more comfortable with saying, all right, well, I think we could let's slide this guy into this, not the total noob beginner, adjuster training thing that we have, a couple of weeks from now, but this is a little bit more advanced. We're going to do an assessment of them, get him some carrier certifications, and then get him out in the field, right? So there's a lot of stuff you're going to do on your own, but then there's a few steps left once you onboard onto an IA firm's roster that they're going to want to kind of polish you up, see where, you're deficient at, where you're great at, and make you so if they're comfortable putting you out in the field and giving you claims. So I think for your very next step, that would be my recommendation, would be to start getting hands-on in Xactimate. You can download the demo for free for 30 days. If you call them and say, hey, I'm still learning Xactimate, I'm in the middle of this training or that training, and my 30 days is about to be up, can I get an extension on that? They will usually do it. I think they'll do it a couple of times. So, obviously there's a lot of things you can't do with the demo that you can do with the paid version. There's going to be watermarks all everything. So you're not going to be able to use it to write claims or whatever. And then once you get, like, say if you onboard with Pilot or Eberl or Alacrity or Crawford or whoever, most of those companies have a relationship with Xactware for Verisk, which is their parent company, or they get a discount, right? So I think Pilots is like between $80 and $90 a month is what you pay, because you have to pay for it. But Xactimate on the open market, like if you were to just go like to Xactware.com or look up Xactimate X1 download and then like try to pay for it, it's like $300 and some a month. Yeah, $250 to $350 a month. It's expensive. Yeah. But you can get discounts. You can get a significant discount for some companies if you are onboarded and you're deployed. So you got your license, once you get that in hand, then you apply for a few more licenses, Texas, Gulf states, maybe I would get everything up. Yeah. So those states, right? So the Midwest, Minnesota in particular, New Mexico. And then, New Mexico, then go ahead and then jump into, you can get the training through Adjuster TV Plus if you want, or there's a lot of other places that kind of have sort of do like beginner Xactimate stuff. I think ours is the best, but I mean,
I'm going to go to yours anyway. I already watch you on the daily.
Yeah. So, and then I would look into finding some specific Xactimate level 1 and 2 certification training, because just to be totally transparent, totally clear, right now, currently, as of December 2022, I'm not an Xactimate certified trainer, so my training doesn't prepare you for the certifications. Okay. Technically speaking. The certification training, because the certifications ask specific questions about specific diagrams and specific scenarios that I don't teach, I can't say, and I won't say, because it doesn't, that you can then go and take the Xactimate level 1 or 2 certification and pass it, because I don't know what's on those tests, right? So I'm not teaching you to the tests. And then you go to Xactware or to Verisk and you take the test through them. It's like $200 a pop.
Adjuster TV, slaying the POW.